Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a cake like this. It's a buttercream cake with chocolate dripping and a fondant flour on the top. Stay with me, and if you like my video, please subscribe so you can see more of my content. This is how the cake is going to look at the end. And first I'm going to start with making the flour. I'm going to make the flour at least few days or a week prior making the cake, so it has enough time to dry. I'm using fondant mixed with some Tylos powder, or you can use gum paste, whichever you prefer. I ordered some cutters and silicone molds for the leaves. The cutters are not here yet, so I'm just going to use the silicone molds, and I'm going to just cut out the extra fondant, and hopefully that's going to do the job good enough. I'm going to make one bow for the middle of the flower, and I'm going to assemble the leaves all around it, and I also put a toothpick in the flower, in the base of the flower, and I'm going to let it dry. After that I'm going to make the cake. A few days later I'm making the cake with some banana buttercream and spread chocolate again inside as the kitty cake. I'm using the same base of the cake, I like this flavor, plus I had some overleft buttercream. I'm going to assemble this cake, I'm going to frost it, and I'm going to chill it out. I am using the chocolate cake with the banana flavor. I think it matches so good, banana and chocolate, that's such a classic. Okay, I get a little distracted here, so I'm using a dowel stick, a wooden stick in the middle, so it's going to help me because this is a 4-inch cake, and as I told you in previous videos, it's hard to frost such a small cake, so this really helps. I'm going to frost it, the crumb coating, then I'm going to chill it out, and then I'm going to put one more layer of buttercream, so it's going to be nice and you don't have this cake showing out, the chocolate cake showing out of there, and set the cake aside. For the chocolate dripping, I'm going to make some white chocolate with a little bit of water, and I'm going to mix it with some white food coloring so it can be better white color, because the white chocolate is actually kind of yellowish when you melt it. I'm going to drip it all over the cake. Make sure you don't have it too thick, because if it's too thick it's not going to be nice and dripping, but also if you put too much water it's just going to leak from the cake and not gonna stay there. So you make sure you have the nice consistency, put it around the cake, and then put the rest on top of the cake. If you want to make some cake with some pink dripping or blue, green, any kind of dripping, I would suggest you to try that way with some white chocolate that you cover with some food coloring. Of course you can use the candy melts, but I think the chocolate tastes way better. Candy melts just taste kind of fake. That's the dripping, you see it looks very cute, and I'm going to let it a little bit to set, and I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna get the dried flour and I'm going to place it on top of the cake. You can make more than one flour. If you make 3, 5, any kind of number, it's going to be very cute, but I wanted to make just one. Then I'm just going to put some circle shaped silver sprinkles around the cake. I'm going to put some on the top, and I'm going to put down in the bottom, so it's going to make some nice line. And you can use gold ones also, but I only had silver ones. I feel like silver or gold is the best way, or you can use some pearls, that's going to make it nice also. And you're done. If you're living in some area with the hot weather, just put the cake in the fridge so the chocolate doesn't melt. Usually it's pretty stable, but if it's too hot, you don't want to have it melting, you want it nice and chill. So just chill the cake, and whenever you're ready you can enjoy it. I'm going to play a little bit with Simba. I'm going to show him in just a second. Here he is. I'm going to put him his sweater. So he's very young, so he cannot control his body temperature, and I usually always make sure that he's on warm place, covered, but of course he doesn't stay the way I put him. So I figure out if I make him a sweatshirt, that's going to help, and it helped. He doesn't hate the sweatshirt, he never tried to remove it. I hope he stays that way, because I want to buy him some cute outfits just to wear from time to time, like Halloween, Christmas, or stuff like that. So as you saw, it's very easy to decorate a cake like that. You can put anything else, not a flower on the top, but it's pretty much the same, just the buttercream and the dripping. Thank you for watching and have a great day!